Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this Tulips Bouquet. If you're new here, I'm sharing easy crochet tutorials every week in my channel. Please subscribe and turn on notification. Don't forget to tag me on Ins when finish your flowers. Now let's begin. These are materials we'll be using. You can now find all this yarn in my Etsy shop. We will start with our small petals, and I will demonstrate with orange yarn. So here we firstly do a slip knot. Then we work 13 chains. You can pause here to finish 13 chains. Here we got 13. We'll then find the second space from the hook and work one single crochet. Then one half double crochet next. From the next space, we do one double crochet in each space, and we do 7 double crochet. Now our second double crochet. Here we finished 7 double crochet and got 3 spaces left. We firstly do one half double crochet next. Then one single crochet in the next space. Now in the last space we do 3 single crochet. Here we finished 3 and move to the other side. We repeat to firstly do one single crochet in the first space. Now one half double crochet next. So here we are just repeating the same pattern as the other side. Before moving on, we can cut off the tail. You can pause here until you come to the end of this side. So here we come to the end. We will do a slip stitch through the first space to close this round. Now we chain 1 to start round 2. At round 2, we just work one single crochet in each space until reaching the top stitch of this petal. Here we come to the top stitch, and we will do 3 single crochet in this one space. Now we move to the other side and still do 1 single crochet in each space, and we do 12 single crochet. Here we come to the end of round 2. We still do a slip stitch through the first space to close this round. Then we chain 1 to secure the end and cut off the yarn. So this is our small petal, and for each flower we need 3 small petals. Then we follow a similar pattern to do our large petal. For large petals, we will start with 15 chains. Then we still find the second space from the hook and start to work. Here we are following a similar pattern as the small petals. After finishing, your work should look like this. Here we chain 2 to start round 2. At round 2, we do 1 half double crochet in each space. And we do 14 half double crochet until reaching the top stitch of this petal. Here we come to the top stitch, and we will do 3 half double crochet in this one space. Now we finish the 3 and come to the other side. We still do 1 half double crochet in each space, and we do 14. Now we come to the end. We still do 1 slip stitch through the first space to close this round. Then we chain 1 to secure the end and cut off the yarn. So here we got our large petal. We still do 3 large petals for 1 flower. Now we find green yarn and start with a slip knot to work our leaf. Here we work 28 chains. Now we have 28 chains. We will then find the second space from the hook and work 1 single crochet. Then another single crochet in the next space. Then we will do 1 half double crochet in each one of the next 2 spaces. Now we do 1 double crochet in each space and we do 20 of them. Here we got 20 double crochet. And we have 3 spaces left. So in the first space we do 1 half double crochet and then 1 single crochet. Finally, we do 3 single crochet in the last space. And we will move to the other side. Now we come to the other side and we will repeat the same pattern on the screen. So here 1 half double crochet. Then 20 double crochet. While moving on, we can hide the tail. Now we come to the end of the other side. Here we will find the first space of this round and work a slip stitch to close this round. Then we chain 1 to start round 2. From round 2, we will insert this craft wire to support the leaf. In this round, we just work 1 single crochet in each space. we come to the 3 single crochet which we worked in one space in the previous round. And in the first space, we still work 1 single crochet. The middle one, we firstly do 1 single crochet. Then we will chain 1 and work a picot stitch in the space I'm pointing at. Basically, a picot stitch is also a slip stitch through the space I'm pointing at. Now we do another single crochet, still in the current space. In the next space, we just do 1 single crochet in each space until the end. Here we almost come to the end of the other side, and we got 2 spaces left, so we still do 1 single crochet in each space. Here we can put the yarn at the back of the craft wares, so that craft wares will be wrapped up by the yarn. Finally, we still do a slip stitch to close this round. Now we can cut off the yarn. Finally, we assemble everything. Done!